let us understand what are the misunderstandings about learning English here. The very first one is pronunciation and accent. Is it your problem? Pronunciation and accent?
Yes, likely that.
Yes. So, yes, please don't mind. In the flow, I will call you as my student. Okay. So don't think otherwise. Right.
No, no problem.
Yeah.
We are the students. No problem. Don't feel like that.
So okay, thank you. Thank you so much for the liberty that you have given to me. Thank you. Okay, so here the pronunciation and accent. So let me give you one clarity. What do you mean by accent and why it is needed in spoken? So it is when we are practicing the accent in the sense whenever you are completely okay with the vocabulary and the structure, or whenever you are feeling free with speaking, you will get the accent automatically. So what is the meaning of accent in Telugu? So just add little bit Telugu in this class, no, not a problem. So what is the meaning of accent and where you can see the accents?
So, what is the meaning of
accent?
Accent means continuation, way of talking.
Okay. So, okay. Pronunciation in the sense we are uttering the sound of a word, we call it as pronunciation. Okay. Apple, apple. Some people call it as apple, and we call it as apple. It comes in the spoken language, right? So the pronunciation, whatever the sound that we are producing about that word is called pronunciation. Pronunciation is good. Whenever the student is good with the pronunciation, they automatically get to the accent. But most of the people try to give the accent. So first of all, we need to make it clear that accent is not a parameter for the spoken English. Please make sure accent is not important or not a parameter for speaking English. Let me give you that example. So there are so many types of accents. If we fix for one accent, maximum of the people, they ask me like, ma'am, I want to speak like an American person. That means they want to give the native English. Native English in the sense there are so many natives. So German English is there, Canadian English is there, American English is there, UK English is there, and also Indian English also is there, right? So if the student is searching for accent, which accent he is searching? Is this the question, right?
Yes, yes.
So accent, you need to search for the accent whenever you are speaking with that particular type of country. You need to search for the accent of British whenever you are speaking with a British person. Whenever you are speaking with Indian person. Now I'm speaking with you, and you are an Indian learner. If I use a Canadian language in the sense, what do you understand anything?
No, nothing.
No.
Need to.
No.
Need to.
Yes. So that's what I'm saying. The accent is not a parameter of learning English. Is it clear?
It's clear.
Yes.